Alright, hey everybody. Today we got a Canadian classic song here for you. It's called Lovin Sound by Ian Sylvia, 1967, written by Ian Tyson on MGM Records. I'm gonna give this thing a try right now. Here we go. Love's really living without you. You ain't living, boy, you're just getting up each day and walking around. Your world is crying out, my friend. Give it love and it will mend and teach you all the music to the loving sound. Oh, the loving sound. Love's really living without you. You ain't living, boy, you're just getting up each day and walking around. Your world is crying out, my friend. Give it love and it will mend and teach you all the music to the loving sound. Oh, the loving sound. The search goes on for dollars and the work goes on betimes. The young ones chase the rainbows, old folks think of younger times. You'll never catch a rainbow, but love may come to you. Hold it close, don't let it fade, you're a loser if you do. Loving, really living without you. You ain't living, boy, you're just getting up each day and walking around. Your world is crying out, my friend. Give it love and it will mend and teach you all the music to the loving sound. Oh, the loving sound. Yeah, it's called The Lovin Sound by Ian and Sylvia. Great old Canadian classic right there.